To insert audio into your Google slide, you need to have already uploaded an MP3 or WAV file to your Google Drive. And so we click on Insert and come down to Audio here. You can search for it, you can search for recent, and the newest one that you've done will be here. Click on My Drive like this, you can see all my audio files here. I'm going to click on my recent one. I want that Warbler file. Click on that and click Insert, and Google will insert this little audio player here, and you've got some options on the side here, automatically, stop and slide change. Okay, stop and slide change, undo that, so you can make it play through slides if you wanted to, or make it stop only on that one slide, is entirely up to you. And that's how you insert audio.